In this report, I'm going to tell you about the 3 options and trims of the 2024 Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid, which you're seeing behind me, and what's new in 2024. Friends, the Mazda CX-90 Hybrid is a new product for Mazda, replacing the CX-9 if you're familiar with Mazda vehicles, and slotting into its role as the brand's family-friendly 3-row offering alongside its non-hybrid siblings. Here you can see the 3rd row, which may not be suiting for adults, but it's good for children. It has great interior. Mazda offers the CX-90 plug-in hybrid in 3 trims: Preferred, Premium, and Premium Plus. The pricing between these 3 trims range between the $48,820 and $58,325 MSRP for the top trim. The CX-90 Hybrid's base trim comes well equipped with premium features such as leather upholstery, rain sensing windshields, wipers, a power rear liftgate, 3-zone automatic climate control, adaptive cruise control, and heated front seats, but with spring for the mid-range premium instead, which is this model. Going with the premium trim at 2nd row captain's chairs, a panoramic sunroof, wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Bose stereo system, SiriusXM satellite radio, and wireless device charging pad. Overall, as you can see, this is a great looking SUV. Here's a PHEV badge, which I think gives it a 25 miles of electric only range. This is the first day I got this vehicle for review, and I'm going to bring you the review, and you can see that at torquenews.com, visiting us in a couple of days. But visit us at torquenews.com for more automotive news, especially electric vehicle news. Well, let me know your thoughts about this vehicle if you have some experience in it. In the meantime, this is Armen Haryan from torquenews.com. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon in our next report. And here's a little bit of nature for you guys.